你好，欢迎来到 HSK 汉语课堂。我叫于斌，我的电话号码是86106275。你的电话号码是多少？ We are going to learn more greetings today, so you could use the phrases over the weekend if you have Chinese friends around. There are 5 dialogues. Dialogue 1. Read after me, please. 同学们好，老师好。Almost every day, when I step into my classroom, I say 同学们好 to my students, and my students say 老师好 to me. 同学们 is students or classmates. 老师 is teacher. To make personal pronouns including 我、你、他 and 他 plural, all you need to do is add the suffix "-men" to it. Please have a look. 我们、你们、他们、他们。When you use suffix "-men", it's only for people, not for any other things. Read with me, please. 我们、你们、他们、他们。For instance, we can say 同学们 and 汉字们 No, you can't say that. What about 朋友们 Yeah, of course. How about 狗们 No. Now let's watch a video.
你怎么样？
我很好，你呢？
我也很好。
The first sentence in the video is 你怎么样 How are you? 怎么样 is used to ask about the condition of something or someone. More examples. 他怎么样？天气怎么样？这个怎么样？ Read the text from Dialogue 1. 你怎么样？我很好，你呢？我也很好。An exercise for you now. Translate the English phrases into Chinese. Let's do it together. Number 1, I'm fine. How do you say that? Yes, 我很好。Number 2, teacher, students. 老师，同学们。The last one, how are you? 你怎么样？ Did you get it? You may know how to say thank you, but how do you say you're welcome? Have a look then.
谢谢。
不客气。
谢谢 means thank you. The second 谢 in 谢谢 is neutral tone. 不客气 means you're welcome or not at all. 气 in 不客气 is also soft tone. Read after me, please. 谢谢，不客气。谢谢，不客气。Dialogue 4 for you.
哦，对不起。
没关系。
What did they say? Yes, they said, I'm sorry. That's all right, no problem. Follow me, please. 对不起，没关系。 对不起，没关系。There are two syllables with a neutral tone. One is 不 in 对不起 Another one is 系 in 没关系 The last dialogue for you is, let's watch a video.
乔治，再见。
明天见。
再见，明天见。再 means again. 见 means to see. You learned 明天 in last lesson. It's tomorrow. So the two phrases are see you again, see you tomorrow. Read with me again, please. 再见，明天见。再见，明天见。That's all for today. 谢谢，再见。